And it was another intense day in court for former President Donald Trump. Day 2 of testimony wrapping up in his criminal trial here. Well, today the jury heard from David Pecker. He's the former publisher of the National Enquirer. They talked about a scheme to catch and kill negative Trump stories ahead of the 2016 presidential election. NBC's Alice Barr has the very latest from Washington.
Back on the witness stand in former President Trump's criminal trial, the ex-National Enquirer publisher David Pecker testified he worked with Mr. Trump's then lawyer Michael Cohen to bury stories that could have damaged the 2016 Trump campaign, including those involving alleged affairs, and to, quote, embellish negative stories about Mr. Trump's political rivals. Pecker testified the arrangement stemmed from a 2015 Trump Tower meeting with Cohen and the former president. The case centers on allegations that Mr. Trump colluded to illegally influence the 2016 election and falsified business records to cover up an alleged affair, all accusations he denies.
What's going on is a disgrace.
The day started with a contentious hearing over whether Mr. Trump violated the judge's gag order, barring him from publicly attacking witnesses and jurors, something prosecutors say he's done repeatedly, citing his comments about Cohen right outside the courtroom yesterday.
So he got caught lying, pure lying.
The Trump legal team arguing the former president is defending himself as a presidential candidate, not a criminal defendant. A prosecutor rejected that, saying, quote, throwing MAGA into a post doesn't make it political. It may make it more ominous. The district attorney's office is seeking a fine and warned that could escalate to jail time for future violations. It all comes as President Biden is on the campaign trail, speaking in Florida about what Democrats see as their most highly motivating issue, abortion rights.
Are you ready to protect freedom?
The two candidates' very different days, highlighting the unprecedented nature of this campaign season. Going back to this morning's gag order hearing, it got so fiery that at one point Judge Juan Merchan told the Trump lawyer he was, quote, losing all credibility with the court by claiming that Mr. Trump was being careful to comply with the order. Right after the hearing, the former president slammed the judge on social media as, quote, highly conflicted. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.